Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to discuss Maya Mobile eSIM, a practical solution for staying connected while you are traveling. So in this video, I'll show you how to buy, install, and use Maya Mobile's eSIM step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up and how it works. If you decide to try Maya Mobile, you can use my affiliate link in the description below to get a 10% discount on your purchase. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what Maya Mobile is and why you should choose it. So Maya Mobile is a US-based company that offers digital SIM cards called eSIMs. With these, you can use mobile data in 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. It's ideal for travelers and remote workers, with some plans even offering unlimited data. Its setup is super easy. Just scan a QR code and you're good to go. Plus, Maya Mobile works with most modern smartphones, so staying connected has never been easier. Maya Mobile is a great choice because it's easy to use and it offers excellent global coverage. You don't have to deal with the trouble of buying a local SIM card or worrying about expensive roaming fees. With instant activation, you can get online right away. They provide fast 4G and 5G data, ensuring a reliable connection no matter where you are. So if you're planning a short trip and you need a temporary plan, Maya Mobile offers flexible options to suit your travel needs. It's a simple and cost-effective way to stay connected wherever you go. Now that you know why Maya Mobile is such a great choice, let me show you exactly how to purchase their eSIM. The process is straightforward and it's designed to get you connected as quickly as possible. So to purchase a Maya Mobile eSIM, use the link in the description below for a 10% discount. And once you click on the link, you'll be directed to the Maya Mobile homepage. And on the homepage, the first thing that you need to do is choose your destination. In the destination search tab, type where you're going. For example, if you're traveling to Pakistan, search for Pakistan. Next, enter your arrival and departure dates, and Maya Mobile will automatically suggest the best plans for your stay. After filling in the details, click the Search Plans button, and Maya Mobile will display a selection of popular eSIM plans for your destination. If you want more options, scroll down and click on Browse All eSIM Plans. Now, this will show you every available plan for your chosen destination, including pricing and details. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and choose the 3 gig data plan. So click on the Buy Now button to proceed. You'll be taken through 3 main steps: plan options, account, and review and pay. In this step, you get to set up your plan just the way that you need it. Start by picking the start date for your eSIM. Then choose how long that you want the plan to last: 5, 10, 15, or even 30 days. By default, it's set to 10 days, but you can adjust it to match your trip. There's also an option to turn on auto recharge if you would like your plan to renew automatically. Right below, you'll find all the details of what your plan includes. For example, in this tutorial, the plan offers 4G coverage in Pakistan, fast data speeds, and instant online delivery. On the right side, you'll see the total cost clearly displayed. Once you've double-checked everything and you're happy with your choices, click Next, Create Account to move on. Next, you'll need to sign up. Just type in your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. Now, don't forget to add your mobile number too. Once you've filled everything out, hit Review and Pay to move to the final step. Now, in this step, you'll need to pick your payment method. Maya Mobile makes it easy by accepting Google Pay, PayPal, and credit or debit cards. For this tutorial, let's use a credit or debit card. Enter your card details like the card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Once you've filled everything in, click the Pay button to complete your purchase. After the payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation message that says payment successful. A new screen will show your order status as pending, but don't worry, it usually takes a few minutes for the status to update to complete. Now, when that's done, head over to your account and click My eSIM to start managing your new eSIM. After purchasing your eSIM, it's time to install it. There are two methods, a QR code installation and a manual activation. First, let's talk about the QR code installation method. This is the easiest way to install Maya Mobile eSIM. After you purchase the eSIM, you'll land on your account dashboard. Here, look for the Install eSIM option and click on it. A QR code will pop up on your screen, and to activate it, simply open your phone's settings. If you're using an iPhone, go to the settings menu, tap on Cellular, and then choose Add Cellular Plan. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code, and Android users, you can do the same by going into Network and Internet settings, select Mobile Network, and choosing the option to add a plan. You'll also get the QR code in your email so that you can scan it directly from there if that's easier. Once you've scanned the QR code, a prompt will appear on your phone. Tap Allow to complete the activation process. After a few seconds, your phone will connect to the network and you're all set to use the internet. If you prefer, you can manually enter the activation code provided in your account or your email. However, I highly recommend the QR code method for its simplicity and speed. After you've installed the Maya Mobile eSIM, you might be wondering, Maya Mobile doesn't have towers, satellites, or even physical SIM cards. So how does the internet actually work? Well, it's all about smart partnerships. In every country, there are local telecom providers that handle internet, calls, and text services. Maya Mobile teams up with the best and fastest provider in each region to ensure that you get top-notch service. For instance, in Pakistan, they work with Jazz, a network known for its excellent internet speeds. This means that when you use Maya Mobile, you're essentially getting the same great service as a local SIM card, but without any physical hardware to worry about. Now, this strategy works no matter where you are. If you're traveling in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, Maya Mobile works with top providers around the world to make sure that you stay connected with fast, reliable internet. And that's it for today's tutorial on Maya Mobile. With its easy setup, instant activation, and reliable internet, Maya Mobile is the perfect companion for travelers. If you found this tutorial helpful and you want to give Maya Mobile a try, don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description. You're going to get a 10% discount and it helps to support the channel. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.